The high care tray washer came about with the growth of ready meals, anything that is a convenience foodstuff these days. People rely on the big supermarkets all around the world selling safe, tasty, nutritious food. So we remove the bulk debris. We then wash very carefully with specialised chemicals and detergents, and then we rinse at high temperature, usually above 85 degrees centigrade, and then we can sanitise with a residual chemical sanitiser which maintains protection on those items for a long time until they're reused.